y'all, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a rather fast but quick video because I don't have no more room on my memory card. Anyway, welcome back to the channel. Happy quarantine to everybody. Happy quarantine. And the quarantine is the reason why I have no makeup on my face. Yes, I'm going to do this entire video without any makeup on. So if y'all judging me, too bad, so sad. I'm not putting no makeup on to do this video for you guys. Only because I just did a previous video, which was a skincare routine, my quarantine skincare routine. If I have not already posted that video, it will be up rather soon. If I have, I'll leave a card up top somewhere. Anyway, we're about to get into this video. If I have not mentioned, this is going to be a hair tutorial. Yes, as you guys can tell, I have many twists in my head. Lifesaver. They've been in going on 2 weeks now, and they still look so good, so moisturized, so defined. Anyway, I have a video already on my channel on how I achieve my mini twist, so if you guys are interested in that, I'll leave a card up top for that as well. But let's just jump right into the video because, like I said, my memory is running low. So first style that we're going to do, I have the hair split completely down the middle. I'm going to attempt to do my my Minnie Mouse buns on my mini twist. So my Minnie Mouse buns are basically, let me make sure I got all that here. I think I'm missing one. I'm missing a couple, I think. So yeah, my Minnie Mouse buns consist of, let me get my hair ties, me bringing the hair so splitting the hair into two, bringing it all the way to the top and creating a little bun. Okay, so that's one. Let me get my other tie, and for this one I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Okay, make sure I got them just a little bit. All right, I think we're about even. And that's basically doing the same thing on this side. All right, so we have these little things going on. Oh, I missed a couple of pieces in the back. Oh well. Anyway, we're gonna take this side. We are going to twist that as so. Let's get another tie. That's one. Not gonna be doing no edges or nothing like that, but this is what I call my Minnie Mouse buns. Cute, ain't it, y'all? Cute. Now you can do your little baby hairs, put a little headband, something on, but me, just do my makeup, do my little edges, and we good to go. But Minnie Mouse buns, there it is. All right, so we can tweak this style into another style by just simply pulling one twist from the top, from the sides, on both sides, as so, just like that. I like it. Super duper cute.